Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-subtract ng dissimilar rational expressions. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung addition of dissimilar rational expressions, i-click nyo lang dito sa taas para mapanood ninyo dahil dito ko tinuro kung paano kumuha ng LCD. Number 4, 2x over x squared minus 9 minus 3 over x minus 3. Pag ginamit natin dito yung butterfly method, dapat kabisado ninyo yung mga factoring techniques or the laws of exponent. Pero ang pinaka-best na gamitin natin dito ay to find the LCD. Para makuha natin yung LCD, kung mapapansin natin, yung x squared minus 9 ay factorable at product ng sum and difference of two squares. Ibig sabihin, ang factors nito ay plus and minus. Then, get the square root of x, that is x. Lalagay natin dyan. Get the square root of 9, that is 3. So, ito na yung factor. Next, ito naman, x minus 3. Since hindi naman na siya factorable, itatapat na lang natin siya dito. So, ang LCD natin ay x plus 3 at x minus 3. Next, ilagay natin dito, x plus 3, x minus 3. Then, i-divide natin dito sa denominator. Since ang equivalent nito ay x squared minus 9, divided by x squared minus 9 is equal to 1. So, 2x times yung nakuha natin na quotient, that is 1. Minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. Makakancel na dyan yung x minus 3. Ang matitira lang ay x plus 3. Then, isimplify na natin. 2x times 1 is equal to 2x minus 3x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, careful tayo dito. So, ang next na gagawin natin ay 2x, negative 3 times x is equal to negative 3x. Negative 3 times positive 3 is equal to negative 9. Over x plus 3, x minus 3. Then, combine like terms. Ang pwede natin i-combine dyan ay yung 2x and 3x. So, 2x minus 3x, that is negative x minus 9 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, ito na yung final answer. Pwede rin naman natin isagot yung, ilabas natin yung negative 1 dito. So, magiging negative, magiging positive na yan. Tapos, yung negative 9 magiging positive na rin. Over x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, ito na yung simplified form nito. Another example natin, number 5, t plus 3 over t squared minus 6t plus 9 minus 8t minus 24 over t squared minus 9. First, let us find the LCD. So, kunin natin muna to, t squared minus 6t plus 9. Kung mapapansin niyo, ito ay perfect square trinomial. Ibig sabihin, ang factor nito ay square of a binomial. So, maglagay tayo ng parenthesis and square. Then, negative yung middle term, ibig sabihin negative. Then, get the square root of t squared, that is t. Get the square root of 9, that is 3. So, paano nangyari yon? Meron akong mga video about dyan. Kailangan kabisado nyo itong mga to. Meron naman akong mga videos sa playlist. I-click nyo na lang dito sa taas para ma-master ninyo yung mga factoring methods and factoring techniques. Next naman, yung t squared minus 9. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, ito ay product ng sum and difference. So, ang factor nito ay sum and difference. So, unahin na natin yung negative para maitapat dito. Negative and positive. Then, get the square root of t squared, that is t. Get the square root of 9, that is 3. Next, get the LCD. So, kunin nyo yung my highest exponent, that is t minus minus 3 squared times t plus 3. Then, ilagay na natin dito. So, ang LCD niya ay t minus 3 squared t plus 3. Then, divide. Since ang equivalent nito ay ito, ibig sabihin makakancel na yan. Ang matitira ay t plus 3. So, yung numerator na t plus 3, multiply natin doon sa quotient kanina, that is t plus 3. Minus 8t minus 24 times, i-divide natin to dito. So, ang equivalent nito ay t minus 3 times t minus 3 times t plus 3. Divided by, equivalent nito ay t minus 3 times t plus 3. So, ang makakancel dyan ay t plus 3 and t minus 3. So, ang matitira lang ay t minus 3. Kung nabibilisan kayo, pwede nyo namang i-slow yung playback speed natin. Next, i-simplify na natin. Lagyan muna natin to ng parenthesis para hindi tayo malito. Multiply natin to. Gamitin natin ang FOIL method. T plus 3 times t plus 3. So first, t times t is equal to t squared. T times positive 3 is equal to positive 3t. 3 times t is equal to positive 3t. 3 times 3 is equal to positive 9. Combine like terms, that is 2 squared plus 6t plus 9. Okay, so ilagay natin dito. T squared plus 6t plus 9. Minus, ito naman, 8t minus 24 times t minus 3. So, gamitin ulit natin yung FOIL method. 8t times t is equal to 8t squared. 8t times negative 3 is equal to negative 24t. Negative 24 times t is equal to negative 24t. Negative 24 times negative 3 is equal to positive 72. Combine like terms, 8t squared. Negative 24t minus 24t is equal to negative 48t plus 72. So, ito na yung sagot natin dito. 8t squared minus 48t plus 72 over t minus 3 squared times t plus 3. Next, i-distribute natin yung minus sign dito sa loob nito. So, t squared plus 6t plus 9. To, negative times 8t squared is equal to negative 8t squared. Negative times negative 48t is equal to positive 48t. Negative times positive 72 is equal to negative 72. Over t minus 3 squared times t plus 3. Combine like terms. So, ano yung mga pare-pareho ng terms or yung mga magkakamukha? So, t squared minus 8t, that is negative 7t squared. Next, 6t plus 48t is equal to positive 54t. 9 minus 72 is equal to negative 63 over t minus 3 squared times t plus 3. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Since hindi naman na siya factorable, at kung gusto ninyong i-expand to, i-multiply nyo lang ito dito. I-comment down nyo na lang sa baba kung ano yung magiging sagot nito para ma-check ko kung tama yung sagot ninyo.